Good morning, everybody. It's Cindy the Scrapologist. I'm here to do a flip through of an album that I'm about to put in my shop, a mini album. I haven't had time to make a complete album for a while, probably a month or so. Actually, this one took me a month to make. I've been more kind of in the junk journaling mood, but I have had this paper from Simple Stories for years and just I loved it, but I never quite knew what to do with it. And then, so I got inspired, decided to make a mini album that is 10 by 8 3/4, so it's a nice size. And the nice thing about this, I decided to leave this blank because what I can do with my Sizzix machine is I can, you tell me what you want here. If you want your family name here, I think that that would look beautiful. Like mine would say the Zambranos, our story. So I wanted to leave this blank for you so that I can personalize it for you and put your name on here. I think that that'll look just beautiful with the family tree here. And on the spine, it's a nice thick spine. You're going to be able to fit a lot of photos in here. It's a 2 3/4 inch spine that says family with a little Brad there with a heart. And then the back is just some vintage paper. When you open it up, it has a large photo mat in the front. You can either keep this photo mat inside this cover, or you can fit 9.5 by 8. So you can almost fit an 8 by 10 in here. You would have to trim it down a little bit, but you could put a big photo of your family right in here so that as soon as you open it up, boom, there is your beautiful family. And this can actually even go on top of the photo, or you can put your family photo here and then put this in the back. But there's also room for a family, almost an 8 by 10 in the back as well. So, and then the album is very interactive. There's this opens up, and then you have a little sort of deconstructed envelope to put lots of photos or other family memorabilia in. This tucks back in there, and you can also use this as a tuck spot to put some things in there. There are lots of nice little sentiments in this album: treasured memories, love, family. This one says legacy. This is a piece of acetate here, so I don't know if I have something the right size to stick in there. Let me see. So you can put items in there and have them show through the window. You'll have to get it past this little legacy stamp here, but you can do it. There we go. So you could stick a photo in there if you wanted to. And then here's a nice space for a photo as well. And this says family, and there's a nice little Polaroid frame here, and I left it so that you can put your photo here. You could also stick one here, so you could have kind of like a double photo layout. There are some pockets here and some room for some journaling, more double pockets. And I did throughout the album try to put some photo mats in for you. I gave my brother a folio a couple weeks ago, and he wasn't quite sure what to do with it. And that got me thinking, he wasn't sure where to put the photos. He said, how do I do this? And so in case you want to give this for a gift and you are giving it to somebody who doesn't normally do memory keeping, it's nice to have the photo mats already here. So, and I always leave these not quite all the way down so you can get your photo tucked behind that. It says life, love, and legacy. And then we have another 2 pockets here. And then some more photo mats that are stuck behind this clock, a photo mat here. This is similar to the envelope that I showed you earlier. So more space for goodies. You can really pack things into this mini album. Not even sure it's a mini album actually, but you can see the large gusset here, so you have plenty of room to stuff more things in here. I really liked this sheet of paper in the paper collection. It looks like a book, and you can totally write if you, especially if you have really beautiful handwriting, you can write your family's name here, and I thought that would look really pretty. Little tuck spot here, and a little tuck spot here. Plenty of room for 4x6s in the album. More photo mats. Here's a pocket here, and just a little suitcase clipped on. You could put a little photo on there if you had a little wallet size. Here's a belly band, so you can tuck lots of photos and other goodies behind that. And a nice tab here that says love. This says life, love, and legacy, and I left some room here for a photo. And then here you've got 2 pockets and another tuck spot here. And this says we are who we are because they were who they were. So there's some really nice sentiments in here. This has a little family tree on it. You can, if you're just focusing on one person, there's room for their statistics here, and you could put their name here. There's a pocket here. So maybe this could be a page for one family member, maybe your grandmother or your grandfather or great-grandfather or something. The patriarch of the family, you could have a page dedicated to them and their birth and death information, their name, and some photos stuck in here would be really nice. And there's another one here if you wanted to focus on one particular person, and another envelope. More photo mats, and these are for, got a little glue here, these are for 4x6s, and then you can cut down, just trim some photos and put them in here and put them here. Tiny little pocket here that you can put things on. You can put a photo here. More photo opportunities. Time spent with family is worth every second. This pulls out and it says love and family, and then you have room for some photos in here. And it says our family. Whoops, hit the camera, sorry. And then here you've got a little journaling, or you can put a photo here. It goes in this little tab here. And this goes in this little pocket here. And you can also tuck some things behind here and also behind here. Another pocket here, and then here is the last large page where again you can put this or you can put a large photo. So this is the album. Oh, I really twisted my camera, didn't I? Sorry. So this is the album. It's getting ready to go in my shop, and I can't wait to see who buys it. And we'll get your name on here in a nice color, and great. And I have another one that I'm going to be showing in a little while that I've been working on. A little I don't know if it's going to be a gentleman's folio or a travel folio. It's kind of masculine looking, masculine vintage looking, so I'll be doing a video of that soon. So thank you for watching. I'll put the link for the mini album down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.